Do you want to make time flow backwards? Or pause a perfect moment in your video? These creative effects can turn a boring clip into a fun highlight reel. And the best part is, you can do both in seconds using Filmora 15. Today, I'm going to show you how to reverse your video and add a freeze frame effect. First, let us look at how to play your video backwards. Select the clip on your timeline that you want to reverse. Go to the speed icon in the toolbar, which looks like a speedometer. In the drop-down menu, simply click on the option that says Reverse. Filmora will take a moment to process the footage. Now, play it back and watch your video rewind smoothly. It is a simple trick, but it looks incredibly professional. If you found this quick tip helpful, please hit that like button. And do not forget to subscribe for more Filmora 15 editing tutorials